In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your ClickUp workspace. Let's start from inside ClickUp. On the left sidebar, open Home to ground yourself in the main dashboard for your workspace. This is where you'll create the structure your team will use every day. Next, hit the plus sign to spin up a new space. Think of a space as a container for a department, project, or client. Keeping spaces focused will make everything easier to maintain. Give your space a clear, descriptive name. Use a naming convention you'll recognize later, like team, purpose, or client, project. Right below, add a short description. This helps new members understand the mission and what belongs here without guessing. Choose the default permission levels so new members get the right access by default. If you're unsure, start with a conservative setting and elevate access as people need it. You can always refine later. For now, make the space private. This is great while you're building the structure and testing settings. You can open it up after your views and statuses are in place. Click Continue to move into the setup wizard. When prompted to define your workflow, choose the starter option. It provides a simple set of statuses that works well for most teams. You can customize it once you see tasks flowing. Open default views and select the views you want every list in this space to start with. Common choices are list and board, and you can add calendar or timeline if those fit your planning style. Open task statuses to confirm the stages that match your process. Keep them meaningful and minimal. Fewer, clearer steps reduce friction and make reporting cleaner. Head into ClickApps to enable the features you'll actually use, like time tracking, priorities, or custom fields. Turn on only what adds value so your interface stays tidy. When everything looks good, click Create Space. You now have the foundation in place. From inside the new space, click Add Task and create your first real task. A concrete example helps validate your workflow and views. Switch to the board view to visualize tasks by status. Dragging cards across columns is perfect for quick stand-ups and progress checks. Use the View menu to add more tabs as needed, such as a calendar, Gantt, or Docs. Finally, choose exactly what you want to add based on how your team plans, tracks, and reports work. Your ClickUp workspace is now ready to grow with you.